Hi, welcome to Parametric House. In this Rider Grasshopper tutorial for beginners, I want to show you how you can make a parametric tower by defining a series of sections. So you can see here, I can change the location of the points of this section and the tower will be updated. So we're going to learn how to define a series of polylines for the sections. We're also going to define a line which is going to define the overall height of the building. And it's really easy to change. As you can see here, we can also define how many steps we need, which is the number of the divisions we're going to define on this line. Then we're going to talk how we can convert the roof into an offset solid. And as you can see here, the height of the tower and the thickness of the roof is going to be controllable. As you can see here, I can change the roof height and also the offset and what kind of offset you need, as you can see here. So we're going to talk about this in one of the lessons. In the next step, I'm going to talk about how we can make a frame and a window. So as you can see here, I can change the number of U division and also the window size, about the offset frame, and also a thickness for the frame. As you can see here, we can give it a thickness. So this lesson is also going to be some advanced technique about meshes, joining, welding, and those things.